Hi guys, how to create an AI generated image with Tome Apps. www.tome.app. So I already logged in here. You have to create an account if you want to create it newly. So these are my recent designs I already work with. So if you want to create a new AI generated image, go to create and then you can choose generate image. I already have some description which is generated by OpenAI, and I copy this and I paste here. You can go with ChatGPT and you can get this generate. It will give us pretty cool logos. We can't do these type of logos with any softwares. So this is really unique and awesome. See here. If you want to change, if you want to generate, if you want to regenerate this logo, you can regenerate. So we can see a lot different logos. We can see some different types of logo again. This is the options for exporting PDF or logo or adding a new logo. So this will allow if you have a premium membership. Thank you guys.